Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription offer known as Try Before You Subscribe using Bold subscriptions. Try Before You Subscribe offers allow you to use Bold's convertible subscription feature to convert a sample product into a full-sized subscription product after the initial order. This offer encourages your customers to become loyal subscribers by removing almost all friction from the initial subscription commitment. Before continuing any further, please note that an Online Store 2.0 theme will be required in order to utilize convertible subscriptions on your storefront. Please visit our Help Center for more information on the Online Store 2.0 installation. First, you'll need to create the sample and full-size product in your Shopify admin. The sample and full-sized products should be separate products in your Shopify admin, as you'll need to select one product as the initial product and one product as the recurring product in both subscriptions. They can also be separate variants of the same product, but for my example, I'll create completely different products. You can set any price for the sample and full-size product, as we'll be using the subscription group settings to apply a discount to the sample and full-size product. In my example, I'm going to create a coffee sample that customers can try, then create a separate full-size version of the sample that customers will receive going forward. Once you've created both products or variants, you'll need to create your subscription offer in Bold Subscriptions. Navigate to the Bold Subscriptions admin. From the Bold Subscriptions admin, navigate to Subscription Groups. Click Create Subscription Group at the top of the page. Enter a name for the subscription group. This is an internal name to help you identify this group between other groups in Bold Subscriptions. Click Select Products. Use the product selector to locate and select your sample product you created earlier. Click Confirm at the bottom of the product selector. Enable the toggle next to Allow Automatic Product Swaps for convertible subscriptions. After the toggle has been enabled, click Select Product in this section, locate and select the full-size product you created earlier. After you have chosen your product, click Confirm. If you would like to apply a recurring discount for the full-size product, enter a discount amount and choose a calculation type using the dropdown. Please note that this discount is only applied to the full-size product. The sample product will not receive this discount. An optional discount can be applied to the sample product a bit later in the setup. Next, enter the subscription frequencies you would like to offer for the subscription group. In my example, I'm going to offer a weekly frequency that renews on Mondays, a monthly subscription that renews on the first of each month, and a quarterly subscription. In the next section titled Order Requirements, this setting allows you to specify a minimum number of orders that must pass before a subscriber can cancel their subscription. This feature ensures that customers must stay subscribed for a minimum number of orders in order to benefit from your subscription discounts. It's recommended that Try Before You Subscribe offers should allow customers to cancel after one order is passed, so you can just leave this setting off. In this video, we'll be skipping over the prepaid setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a prepaid subscription. In the next section titled Subscription Discounts, enable the toggle next to Offer a discount on the first product before the swap and enter an amount in the discount field. In my example, I'm going to enter 100% as my discount to allow my customers to receive the sample products for free. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Before we head over to the storefront, you may want to set the sample product as a subscription-only product in your Shopify admin so that customers cannot purchase the product as a one-time purchase. This can be done on the product's edit page by enabling the checkbox next to Only Sell this product as a subscription. After this change has been made, navigate to the sample product on your storefront. The subscription widget should look similar to my example, where it contains the full-size product as a conversion product. If I add this product into the cart, proceed into the checkout, and purchase this product, the initial order will contain a sample product, and the subscription will only contain the full-size product on future recurring orders. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please visit our Help Center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.